Male and female wards of the state gone missing from Maxfield Park Children Home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for two wards of the state who gone missing from Maxfield Park Children Home in St. Andrew since Thursday, June 30. They are 16-year-old Amoy Mulgrave and 15-year-old Dominique Rowe, otherwise called Peps. Amoy is approximately 5 feet 4 inches tall and is of light complexion, stout build, and sport a long process hairstyle. Dominique is approximately 5 feet 7 inches tall, of dark complexion, simple build, and sports a low-cut hairstyle. Reports are that around 7 a.m., Amoy and Dominique were last seen at the home in their school uniform. They left out for school and have not been seen or heard from since. Anyone who knows the whereabouts of Amoy and Dominique is being asked to contact the Hunts Bay Police at 876-923-7111, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.